What the idea? I hope I'm not interrupting. Master of the universe, Kane.
Friends and family.
Precious AI program here.
Friends and family, friends and family, friends and family.
I'm a genius.
If I don't hear comments, I am into the damn stories.
Too much for me.
So,
Coming! Yeah, coming! Hey, all right, good morning.
Is it?
This is a surprise?
Is it?
Yeah. You keep on saying, is it? Yeah.
What did you do?
oh, call you? Oh, I forgot.
There may be moments that seem unclear, but when it's time for treatment, one thing is
I forgot,
Brukinza.
Kiana, I sure did forget.
Targeted treatment for CLL. It's the only BTKI proven to be superior to both another BTKI and chemotherapy. Most patients have long-lasting results and no disease progression. Brukinza can cause serious side effects which may lead to death. Bleeding problems are common.
Send me something now,
With blood
Will.
thinners. Serious infections may occur and cause fevers, chills, or flu-like symptoms. Decreased blood counts, new cancers such as skin cancer, and liver problems may occur. Heart rhythm problems such as fast, irregular heartbeat, lightheadedness, fainting, shortness of breath, or chest discomfort may occur. Tell your doctor if you have